Hey guys, welcome back to the channel on the take two of this video. So I wanted to actually go ahead and show you guys today the unboxing of the Fuel Plus. This is a power bank and lantern by Outdoor Tech, perfect for camping. And let me tell you why. So we're gonna take a quick look-see at the box, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what comes with it so you guys can actually see it before you buy it, and then you can actually make an informed decision. This is your expert, and today we're gonna be unboxing this new power bank by Outdoor Tech. So the very first thing that I wanna go ahead and make notice of is that this one is a 10,050 milliamps power bank and lantern. This one has PD, power delivery of 18 watts, which is pretty much, I think, like quick charging or super quick charging. Alrighty, also this one is IP67 waterproof, so that means that it will withstand water and dirt, so you don't have to worry about the unit. And it comes included with an all-in-one cable. I'm gonna show you guys that in just one second. And we're gonna take a quick look-see at the box. You guys can actually hang this unit from here. So most likely you will see this in different retailers like REI and all of those outdoor companies, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look-see at the back of the box. And over here it says Fuel Plus, 10,050 milliamps, which is basically and roughly, depending on your smartphone, and I would say 2 or 3 full charges from 0 to 100. The power delivery of 18 watts, it enables your device to take on more power in a shorter amount of time, which translates to super fast charging. Or there you go. So we have the super fast charging with this one. The lantern will be 134 lumens, and it has a carabiner included. Perfect. And over here you guys can see that this one has the USB-C port for charging and the device and charging other devices, the USB output to charging other devices, and the power button is shockproof, so don't be concerned if you drop it, and it's waterproof and the cable included. Here are the dimensions. So this one, it's a 3.8 by 3.8 by 1.1 inches. So a pretty small unit. And we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look. See, oh, okay, so this one, it's eco-friendly packing. So you guys can actually go ahead and see the effort the Outdoor Tech is doing in order to actually go ahead and reduce the waste from their packing, their shipping, and also their boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy, right? And we're gonna go ahead and just go ahead and take a quick look-see to see what is inside. All right, so the first thing that you guys will see will be the unit with a little boxy. And over here, you guys have the sticker for some swag, right? So remember to stick this in your laptop, your snowboard, your bicycle, the user manual. And over here in the back, I have the Twin Peaks speaker. I have the other power bank, which this one was the Kodiak Slim. And I have the Ravens headphones, which I am recording this video with. So I'm gonna give you guys link for all of these different products that you have in the back. And this one, I brought it for a special reason, right? So the very first thing that I wanted to show you guys over here will be the little boxy with the all-in-one cable and the carabiner. All right, let's take this one out of the plastic right here. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna leave the unit right here, and I'm gonna put the carabiner really quick. So the whole point of this carabiner and this loop, which is like hard plastic, it's for you to actually hang it up from a tree branch or from your camping equipment or whatever, and you guys can actually use it as a light source. So we're gonna get into that in just one second. I wanna show you the cable first. So this cable, as you guys can see over here, as you guys can, if I can take it out, sorry about that. So this cable, it's for you to actually use it and charge everything with it, right? So it comes from USB, and actually you can take it apart right here. So this one will be a micro USB standard connection, and you have 2 extra connections in order to make it either lightning for iPhone, right? Let me make sure that I'm putting it right. So Lightning for iPhone. With just one click, you can change from iPhone to USB-C. Let's say if you have one of the newer, Samsung smartphones, right? So you can just change it like that, or you can use it to charge your power bank, your speakers, your your earbuds, because this one will use micro USB and this one will use Type-C. So you have all of those connections in just one cable, and it's included in the box. So take advantage of that. So I'm gonna leave the cable on the side for just 1 second, and I'm gonna show you guys the unit. So over here we have the little rubber bumpers, right? Which will allow you to basically just drop the unit and everything will be fine. You have the carabiner, and my doggy just barking, it's just barking at something. I'm sorry about that, guys. At this point, you should be able to actually just, meet her in the next video or something, because she is pretty much featured in every one of my videos. So guys, as you guys can see over here, you guys have the Outdoor Tech logo. This one is red, but they do also give you the option to be gray. And at the bottom, we have just rubber bumpers. At the top of the unit, we have the power button, which with just one button, you guys can actually see how much battery the unit has. And each light represents 25%. So you guys also have a little rubber cover over here. You will just take it out from the side. And it has this little rubber, thingy, string, I don't know how to call it, but it's basically, with this, it will guarantee you that you will not lose the cover, and therefore will always be waterproof as long as you keep it, sealed tight. Over here, you guys have the USB-C connection for charging the unit and for charging other devices, and the normal USB connection to charge any other devices, right? So guys, the whole point of this unit is for you to actually take camping. And for my hiking friends, and I'll also include this on the description of the video, this unit is actually 225 grams or 8 ounces. So if you need to know exactly how much the weight of this unit is, it's 8 ounces, just in case if you need to consider that for, to, carry the layout of your equipment, or to see if it's going to work out for you or not, because you're a really, serious hiker. So this one will be 8 ounces. All right. So the whole point of this is for you to actually hang it from a, tree branch or something. And if you press and hold the power button, it will show you the light, which we have 3 modes. We have normal light, and I have lights right here above me. So you guys can see that it's actually pretty bright. This is the normal setting. We have super bright, and then we have SOS, right? So let's say, for example, guys, if you are camping and if you need to actually, call the attention of somebody, or, get the attention of the park rangers. And again, if you are in any, situation, please call the proper authorities, either 911 or the park rangers, or somebody who can actually assist you. And just in case if they need to find you, you can actually get their attention by just using the SOS signal on this unit. So this is basically perfect for camping. And over here I have the Kodiak Slim, which is 5,000 milliamps, and this one is 10,000. So this one is twice the power size for this one, and this one has the connections right here open and discovered. So if this one it gets wet, it does have some water resistance, but it's not IP67 like this one. So this one I will recommend for you guys to just put in your pocket, or put in your backpack, or put in your purse if you're going to the office. If by any chance your smartphone gets low on battery, or if you didn't charge it the night before because you just fell asleep or something, this will save you with one charge from 0 to 100, and this one will actually save you from 2 to 3 charges. So if you're planning a long camping trip, you can just take one of these ones and you're good to go. Plus it has that flashlight or lamp, or whatever you guys want to call it, lantern of 134 lumens, and that's the best way for you to actually make a decision of which one you want to buy. So with that, guys, I leave you with the SOS signal just flashing in the back, so you guys can actually see it in action. You guys can actually see it just hanging from there. You know, you can drop it how many times you want. It's shockproof. Well, do remember not to throw it from a, you know, fifth story window or something like that. It will survive normal normal drops, right? So it's shockproof. It's not indestructible proof, right? So if you guys want to go ahead and test this one out, I will give you guys a link in the description or where you can find it. I will also give you guys a link for all these products, the earbuds with the charging case, the speaker that you guys can actually move around and accommodate the speakers so you guys can actually get more sound. These are the Twin Peaks, these are the Pearls, this is the Kodiak Slim, and this is the Fuel Plus. So just remember, guys, your support means everything to me. So if you could just go ahead and give a like, subscribe, comment. If you guys want to reach me, the best way for you guys to do that will be in the comment section. I will reply. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have any problems, please contact Outdoor Tech. They're super cool, and they might even be able to actually go ahead and help you out to get one of these ones as soon as possible. So guys, let me know what you think about the Fuel Plus. I love the texture of it. I love the resistance, and I love that it's super big capacity with a flashlight. So perfect for camping for 8 ounces. So go ahead. So guys, I will leave you with that. Check out the details on the description below, and let me know what other products would you like me to unbox and review. I'll keep bringing some Outdoor Tech products for you so you guys can actually see the new lines and the things that they're trying to do to get more into that camping world. And you guys will see that in the next couple of videos. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye-bye.